Hello, and welcome to this Dyson Supersonic unboxing video. Here, we have the nickel-copper color combination for this particular hairdryer. It also comes in other colors like black, blue blush, topaz orange, and more. I've been a long-time Dyson technology fan. I've used their air purifiers and vacuum cleaners for years now, and they still work like new and are very reliable. Not to mention how beautiful their design is. I love the work and attention to detail their packaging has, even this graphic that's on here. And it seems like the material is very mindful to sustainability. As I open the box, we immediately see the hairdryer presented nicely here. Underneath the hairdryer, we have its cord, which looks so much thicker and longer than most other hairdryers I've seen, and the attachments. This is the diffuser, which can prevent frizziness to hair that's susceptible to it, such as curly hair, and so on. This one is the styling concentrator, which helps the user target one area at a time when styling his or her head. This one is the gentle air attachment, which helps diffuse air for a cooler, more gentle experience. This one is the wide tooth comb, which is used to style curly or wavy hair more easily. And last but not least, this odd-looking one, which I had never ever seen before, is called the flyaway attachment, which helps hide flyaway hair with a single pass to give hair a smoother and shinier appearance. The attachments connect to the main body of the hairdryer via magnets, which is very convenient, and the grip is actually very firm. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and once again, thank you for watching and being a subscriber. If you're new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, and like and comment my videos, which will help me greatly to make better and better videos.